Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download the Minecraft launcher. So it's pretty much easy. So first you have to simply click on this Windows button and search for the Microsoft Store, and here it is here, and you have to go to the search bar and search for Microsoft, sorry for that, not Microsoft actually. From here you have to search for Minecraft launcher. So here it is, you can find it here in the suggestion. So here you can find it, the Microsoft launcher. Now you can simply click on get zip button and it will start install this Microsoft launcher on your system, and it will help you to launch the Microsoft. Now here you can see you can connect it through the console or a type of, now give the permission. Now here you can see it is getting ready to download, and you have to install it properly on your system, then you can just use it. So that's pretty much simple. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.